everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. We are doing lemon ricotta cookies, yes. And before we get started, let me sit you guys up right. And guess what? I'm going to try to advertise my aprons once again. White or black, SoulfulT products. It's going to be in the link below in the description. It has pockets. You can sit your stuff in here, you guys. You want to take off your rings and your bracelets and everything you want to prepare cooking. You can stick them right here inside your pockets before you start cooking that meal. My website is not currently up so that you can order through the website. But if you go to soulfultproducts@gmail.com, leave your name, how many aprons you want, your address, the color of your apron, and pay at PayPal. The aprons are $26 plus shipping. It's $3.75. Only in the U.S. only. Unfortunately, outside the U.S., it was just causing too much money. To ship to you guys, hopefully, if we can find a better and cheaper way outside of U.S., most definitely. But right now, U.S. only. Yeah, get your apron. I like it. They're adjustable straps, nice long tie. You can tie it in the back. You can do it yourself. You know, I love the apron. Again, thank you, Cornel. I don't know how many times I say thank you, but thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get started with these lemon ricotta cookies, everybody. In this bowl, I have 4 cups of flour. To this 4 cups of flour is all-purpose flour. I will be adding, get my measuring spoon out. Yes, I'm recording myself, you guys. Yes, I'm recording myself with this stuff. Okay. I'll be adding a teaspoon of salt. This one ain't filled up. I don't like a lot of salt. Did I get salt? See? Salt poured in. So we ain't gonna be adding a teaspoon of salt because I gotta put some of this out. I'm doing half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just not a salt person. I'm sorry. But I know you need the salt to help balance out the sweet. I do know that. We're going to be doing a teaspoon of baking soda. Ooh, that baking soda clumpy. And I just bought it from the store. No. Teaspoon of baking soda. And this is my dry ingredients and the zest of 1 lemon. Not the white part, the zest only, guys, okay? Trying to get all the zest. See that? The zest of 1 lemon. I'm just going to stir this all up. Just like this. Ooh, God, it smells wonderful. Put all this to the side. To the side, to the side. Because over I'm going to bring in my bowl for my wet ingredients. I'm going in with 2 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1. Y'all see that lump going in? hate lumps. Let me see if I can find and break it up. There you go. Here we go. Ooh. Breaking that lump up, guys. Okay. 2 cups of sugar. And I'll be right back. I'm back. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You know how I like using pure vanilla. Pure vanilla is the best way to go when you're baking, you guys. I'm going to use the juice of a half a lemon, which is about a tablespoon. Oh, of lemon juice. And then I will blend it all up together. So at this point, that's blended well. I'm adding in my ricotta. This is a 15 ounce. This is a 15 ounce thing of ricotta. You're gonna add the whole thing in here. Did I say the whole thing? Yeah, the whole thing. 15 ounces. And we're gonna blend it up. Now that's blended. Hope you guys can see everything I'm doing. I'm gonna add in my dry ingredients, which is 4 cups of flour, the zest of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Oh my God. The world is unkind, but guess what? I forgot to add my stick of butter. And I'm going to add it right here. Do not forget your butter with your eggs and your sugar. Add this in with your wet ingredients. Now, I think because when I be feeling myself, I'm so worried about capturing the film, I forget stuff. But the butter is in there. And we're going to pray these cookies come out right. I know somebody said if you know how to make these cookies, she forgot her butter. It's in there now. But remember to add your butter in with your eggs and sugar. Your wet ingredients, guys. This smells good, they look good. I don't want to over blend them. The texture is right about right. Okay. Okay. Here's my cookie sheet. I'm gonna set this right here so I can get you guys back a little bit more. Okay. Got my cookie scoop, and we're gonna scoop them on there. If you have parchment paper, you use parchment paper. And then you can also, like, I didn't place them in the refrigerator. You can place them in the refrigerator like for a good 15-30 minutes just to stiffen up this dough. I'm going to have dough left My oven is ready. That's what you guys are hearing. And I'm doing about a dozen for you guys. All uniform, same size, because I'm using the cookie. This video don't come out right. I apologize for the butter. Okay, so I have my cookies here. 10 minutes in the oven, 350. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. My cookies are done, and let me show you the cookies. I told myself let me cool off. I did 12 minutes. Golden brown at the bottom, pretty on top. So we're gonna set these aside. That'll sit right there while I make the glaze. I got 2 cups of powdered sugar here. I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm using the juice of 1 lemon. Half of them anyway. It doesn't take much at all. Ooh! And lemon juice squeezing everywhere, y'all, to get this going, okay? I need a little bit more lemon juice in here. So before I cut my lemon, let me get the zest. Yes, some more zest. Look, I didn't even take the paper off. Some more zest of a lemon. If I didn't tell y'all, I love everything lemon. So guys, my camera cut off. I had to go back and let it charge up. Now we're back. Let's finish this up. This juice up. Making this glaze. I might need a little bit water, but I don't want to use any water. So I'm just stirring my glaze up. So basically what I'm doing is that this is going to be so lemony because I refuse to add water to this. So I use like a lemon and a half to my 2 cups of glaze. And there it is. Okay. I gotta add water. I'll be right back. We're back. And I have my glaze. So when I'm gonna take my cookie, look how golden brown they are at the bottom, light at the top. That's how you want them. And I'm just gonna dip it in the glaze like this. One at a time. A little, a lot, it's up to you. And you just let your glaze get hard on here. You can see the lemon zest on top of the cookies. These are lemon ricotta cookies dipped in lemon glaze, guys. Tastes wonderful. Again, you can do these as Christmas. Add some Christmas flake colors and stuff on here. Like some, what are they, sprinkles. We add sprinkles on here. And just let them drip. And what's going to happen is that the glaze is going to get hard on here, you know. But I guess I'll just break one open for you guys. Perfect cake-like consistency. Okay. These These are good. These are really good. Let's plate them. So everybody, here is my lemon ricotta cookies. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to get your apron and your book. SoulfulT Cooking with SoulfulT. Book, Cooking with SoulfulT apron. Guys, I hope you like everything you see here on my channel. Lemon ricotta cookies. Yay! Until next time. Oh, girl. Until my next video, guys. I am out. I hope you guys like. Remember, this is how I make it in my house. You can make yours more cheesier. I like it this way. Add some extra mozzarella.